bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. We got into a drifted bag and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one.
So I just finished setting up his table that I picked up from IKEA the other day. It is so cute, very easy to go ahead and put together. A lot easier when your toddler is not up while you're trying to do it, but very easy. He obviously seems to like it. This is his little play area. I'm just gonna go ahead and organize it, clean it up, and then I'll go ahead and I guess go through it with you guys if that's something you guys want to see. But let me just go ahead and clean up here.
To ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Alright guys, so this is the best it's going to get right now. Let me just go ahead and give you a quick little overview. I'm not completely done right now. He has a ton. And when I mean a ton, I mean a ton of books. Like, I do not have space for them. I don't know where I'm going to put them. But that's just gonna be a project for another day where I figure out where I can go ahead and put those. But right here, this shelf I got from Target, and the little inserts I got from the Container Store. 90 to 95% of the toys you are gonna see are from his Love Every Play kit. If you guys have seen any of my previous videos, you guys know how much I absolutely love their play kit subscription. I do have a discount code with them. Just go ahead, message me on my Instagram. I'll leave my link down in the description box down below. Just DM me and I'll be more than happy to go ahead and give you a discount code. I believe it gives you $30 off your first play kit. So any amount definitely helps, but let's go right in here. This I got off of Amazon, but this is his little setup on top. I had a little tag like this one that said Explore. which I need to go ahead and fix and put back up here. It just kept falling off. But we've got a bunch of puzzles here. As you can see, love every. This is love every. Love every. Let's just say everything is a love every. But Love Every and Melissa and Doug are my favorite type of toys to get for my son. And here we've got all his cars, which I need to fill back up. I try to keep it up here and hidden. That way he does decide to go ahead and play with other things. And here I have a bunch of like school supplies, learning supplies, coloring books, all of that. His cash register that he just recently got. Some other toys for him to just go ahead and grab just easily. And I do interchange them. We've got some more learning supplies here, flashcards, all of that. Stuff that goes on my calendar there, which I do need to go ahead and update to December. We've got more play kits here. This is from, I'm blanking out on the name. It's a Spanish subscription. When I remember, I'll go ahead and link it in the description box down below. These two bottom bins are just kind of a catch-all for just his random toys. This one, again, more learning. All of these I got from Target. He is too little for a lot of these, so I just have him stored here for when he is older. We've got puzzles, more puzzles here. This is from Love Every Little Cube. And then I got these bins from the Container Store, and I have them labeled Monday through Friday, and I have them packed with little activities. See, this is one of the play kits from that subscription. So everything is in English and Spanish in these, which I think is so cute. So yeah, I go ahead and I put little activities in there for the day. Something to read, something to play, learn. Everything is learning. Yes. Are you gonna make me a sandwich? Delicious. Books here. I do want to paint this either white or this light blue color that I have. We've got his blocks there, some more books. Again, this is not even half of the books that he has. We've got two little hanging things here. We can do matching here, and then the letters here. Okay, hold on. This is from Love Every. Yes, butterfly. This is from Love Every as well, so they each come with the little character, and then he just has to match them in the correct slots. All of these are from Target. These signs, again, are from Target as well. These binders down here are a little preschool curriculum that I had downloaded offline to go ahead and work with him. These two are from Love Every. We've got a tabletop easel, so it's got the whiteboard, got the paper, and then the chalkboard on the back, so I can easily just go ahead and put this on top of his new table now. Sign language, because he does know some signs, and we're going to continue teaching him that. Some of his artwork from school, and then I've got this whiteboard that I just go ahead and have some magnets in here, all the letters, numbers, markers here, his little pointer, and then all of this, which I obviously need to update because it is no longer November. And yeah, but yeah guys, this is his little setup. It's nothing special or crazy, but it's definitely, you know, his little space. I try to keep it clean as possible just because he does have a lot of toys, and you know, it does get messy, but I try to keep it as organized as possible. So I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions on something that you saw here that I didn't mention where I picked up from, just go ahead, leave a comment down below. I'm more than happy to share where everything is from. That's a bird, Papa. No, Papa. That's a bird. Where does the bird go? Mira, bird. There you go. Good job. And the squirrel? Where does the squirrel go? Squirrel, that's right. Inside. Good job. Good job. This is technically where our dining room table was supposed to go, but we have limited space, and I wanted something for him. Guys, enjoy this kind of like little mini tour of his play area. I have been talking about showing it for the longest time, and I'm finally doing it. Again, if you guys have any questions about where I got anything, definitely go ahead and just leave a comment down below. And we will see you guys when we open his advent calendar. You know the drill. You gotta open it. You gotta open this first. Number 8. Este, acá abajo. 8. Ábrelo. What number do you have? What number? 17. Yeah, 17. It's not 17. Oh, this is 17. Okay, here you go. You were right. What is this? Look at, it's an airplane and it's a little piggy bank and you get to paint it. Oh, you get to paint it. Oh, you rather have the box. All it is just an airplane that he gets to paint and it's actually a little piggy bank. Oh, now you want to see it? Be careful, Papa, okay? Ooh. An airplane. No. You want to paint it? No? Yeah, you have to paint it. Yeah, it flies. At least he likes it, even though he doesn't want to paint it. But I think I'm going to go ahead and try maybe over the weekend or another day this week to see if he's willing to paint it. Wow, Papa, do you like it? Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. That was so sweet. See? It's a piggy bank. Good job. One at a time, Papa. There, you have 4 cents. Yay! You want more? Please. Okay. Yeah, and then I'll give you 2 quarters, 2 nickels, and a dime. Penny. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You got it? Yeah? Okay. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And we will see you guys tomorrow for another Vlogmas. Bye. Bye.